Caution notice. It does not replace the core electronics. Any existing defects of the electronic core will not be fixed by the shell replacement. Only key shell, no interior, remote, electronics, transponder chips unit inside. Interchange part number. For HYQ12BBY, GQ429T. 4 key button. Lock, unlock, trunk hold, panic. Fitment. For Toyota 4Runner 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. For Toyota RAV4 2010, 2011, 2012. For Toyota Yaris 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. Easy to install. Simply swap your existing electronics inside this key shell and install your original key to this key case. Package included: 1 X-car key shell, size, 9.5 by 3.9 by 1.5 cm, 3.74 by 1.54 by 0.59, L*W*H. Top reviews from the United States. Worked like a charm. My remote broke and it was going to cost $100s to replace it. I bought this and put the key chip in it and it fit perfectly and does the job. The key is just blank, but I needed my remote more than anything.